Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: Realme UI updated, an active SIM, and a data plan that works. Once done, flip airplane mode on to suspend radios. This is deliberate. Now open settings and keep the airplane mode screen visible. You will selectively re-enable radios. This avoids network scans and obeys onboard rules. Make sure you know which SIM is primary if dual SIM is present, because you'll choose that SIM when restoring data. Let's move to reactivating connections safely. You now attempt to restore data selectively. Go to Settings, choose SIM card and mobile data, and pick the SIM you want to use. Try toggling mobile data on while airplane mode stays active. Some Realme builds allow this and will reconnect cellular data only. If the toggle is blocked, instead enable Wi-Fi and connect to a trusted network. This gives data without cellular radios. Also check quick settings. Sometimes the mobile data icon is restorable from the pull down. Proceed to finalize and finish by confirming that data flows. Look for the mobile data arrows or the Wi-Fi symbol plus actual page loads. If the toggles fail to respond, restart the phone and try again. Sometimes a quick reboot restores permissions. You can also remove and reinsert the SIM, then repeat the mobile data toggle. If nothing works, temporarily disable airplane mode to reset radios or contact your carrier. This resolves account or network restrictions. One troubleshooting tip: reboot before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.